How weird would that be if there was just this, like, completely overt, crazy rape scene hidden away on the disc somewhere that you could just unlock? People would be devastated. Kuzurashi? Oh, there was an army taxi the whole time. Guido white males and posh white women with long blonde hair are the bane of this game. Really wears its heart on its sleeve. Dick would be devastated. Speaking of devastated dickage, have you guys seen the H demo for the new VR Kanojo game from Illusion? That I'm pretty sure is the first game they are releasing outside of Japan right now. Anyway, if you don't know what VR Kanojo is, it's whoa, we almost just had a collision in this enormous open space. It's a game that you play with a headset, a VR headset, and then you have like the two grabbers, and you can touch and do stuff, and you gain your girlfriend's trust and have sex with her like a well-adjusted member of society. But in the gameplay, in like the lewd gameplay demo they released recently, it shows in the little bottom left-hand corner what the guy is doing while like the video is playing, and it's amazing. He's just down there touching nothing, wiggling little wands in the air. And I know we've already seen that before with a lot of stuff, but this one's particularly good. There's one where he's like trying to touch her boobs with both his hands, but she's on her back. So he's like trying to stand up with his knees using only his abdominal strength while dual touching. And he looks like he's like about to die. And then there's one where he's like forcing her to give him a head, and it looks like he's like petting an invisible dog, all while having this wicked space helmet on. Dude, you were gonna crash into everyone up here. Oh, was I supposed to hide? I was talking about stuff. Or no, I don't think so. I think that was supposed to happen. Welcome to the new age. To the new age. Yeah, no, it does sound like a nice way to get the experience. Oh, I did fuck up. I did fuck up. Okay. How do I hide? Just like back here? This doesn't seem right. Wicked sex helm. Oh, I see what you're saying. Whoa, why are you falling, bitch? God fucking damn it. Don't touch my cat. No one pets my cat but me. Oh shit. Oh! Is this the part? Hope y'all ready for some cringy tunes, boy. Help us, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Is this a rhythm game or just a cutscene? I hope it's a rhythm game. Oh my god, is it a fucking rhythm game? Okay, a red apple fell from the sky. Not quite a rhythm game, but... Oh shit, I was smiling. Hope you're ready to fucking die. That was my song, boys.